Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Bamba Mentality Podcast from the park.
Yes,
We are
guys.
back.
Back by popular demand. I don't know. Just tell us if you guys want to, if you want us to record in the park, because it's very hassle to record in the park. All parks are
Yeah.
closed. It's like one weird, and we have trespassed in this park right now. So yeah,
We are illegally sitting inside
in
a
the park. Park is
It's
closed.
just crazy.
We are
All-
recording in the park. Yeah, tell us if you like us. We will record more episodes in the park, or we'll back to our
house.
humble abode. Yeah.
So I think they think that this is the time when nobody comes to the park and they close it. But if you think nobody comes, then why close it?
It's India, bro. So I feel the local residents around the park, they decide, because that's what I think. But
People
I
are
might
the
be
problem.
wrong.
People are the worst.
problem, bro.
People are the worst.
Park culture is
Mm.
non-existent in India. It's like I don't feel free over here. Feels like somebody is looking at me through some window.
Yeah, they are looking, bro.
Yeah.
I can see somebody is looking at you right now.
Oh my god.
It's me.
Okay.
How was your weekend?
Weekend, I was not here. In the last episode, I told you that this year I'll go full Bamba. I take it back, bro. I take it back completely, 100%. It's not like I'm not still recovered from the trauma I got.
What did you do?
On Thursday? I'll tell you. So Thursday I was going home,
Ah,
right, and I wanted to reach home early in the first
okay,
half.
Okay.
So I booked a early morning flight,
Okay.
right? 6:30 a.m. flight I
Classic.
booked. Classic.
Yeah.
The thing is, I have booked 6:30 a.m. flight,
Hmm.
but I have assumed it's 7:30. I have assumed it.
Oh my
I
god.
read 6:30. It registered 7:30.
Oh my god.
I checked in one day before. I saw 6:30,
Uh,
and I'm like, oh, 6:30, which means 7:30, right?
bro, this is not even Bamba. This is like you have crossed that line.
There is no
Don't ruin
word.
our name like this.
There is no word yet.
Yeah, we have to find a new word for this. Then,
Oh my
so
god.
you reached what time?
So,
6:30?
Listen. No, actually 6:15 was the flight, and I thought it's 7:15.
Okay.
It's not 6:30. So if the flight is at 7:15, lot of people who would want to reach at 6:15, right? Like, which makes sense. If you have even if you have a check-in bag, you reach 60 to 65 minutes. Last you enter, you put the bag in check-in.
Yeah, if 7:15 means I'll reach by 5:30, 5:45 and just go in.
Okay, 5:30 will reach.
Yeah, 5:30, 5:45 I'll target so that if I reach 5:45 also,
Ha.
then I'll just check in and go in. But still, 5:45 is so late for 6:15, bro. They won't let you in.
No, 5:45. Hold on. I'll tell you what happened, right?
Ah.
So 6:15 flight. I'm thinking 7:15. So I went
Yeah.
to sleep 7:15. Put the alarm at 4:30 a.m. Because I thought even if I leave by 4:45, by 5:30 I will reach.
Ah.
Worst case scenario, like a best case scenario, or 5:45, 7:15 flight. Aram se I have time. Woke up at 4:30. I'm drinking water, trying to if I need to use the washroom or not.
Yes.
Right, so I'm
It's
sitting.
too early for washroom.
Sitting, and like at 4:40,
Ah.
4:40 a.m. I'm like, all right, let's get out of bed. I was sitting for 10 minutes in the bed.
Okay.
Got out of bed, brushed my teeth quickly,
Okay.
brushed my teeth, came out. Then I've just like looked at my phone. It said 6:15 a.m. flight.
Okay.
Because that notification comes, and then I woke up, bro. then I
Even
woke
alarm
up.
couldn't wake you up. The
Dude.
message woke you up.
6:15 a.m. I could not believe that I have made a mistake like this. Dude, I'm like not even ready. I booked a cab.
Okay.
Like, I booked a cab. Cab is coming. I just, thankfully, I've packed everything. Whatever I have not, leave it. I just put everything. Lights are on. I left the house. There was no time. Got the house, got down, cab reached. I got into the cab. I told him, sir, my flight is at 6:30. Because I could not tell him that it's 6:15, bro. because he would laugh at me.
So you gave like 15-minute gap.
15 minutes just for him, so that he is thinking I have to reach by 5:30 because they think 1 hour before. But in
Yeah.
my head, I have nothing to check in.
Mm.
I have a bag. I'll just pass through security.
Mm.
Even if I reach 25 minutes at the gate, I am fine. 25 minutes is what I'm targeting. Not at the 35 minutes to reach the airport. 25 minutes to the gate.
You must be at boarding gate before 25 minutes. You know that,
Bro,
right?
yeah. Boarding gate I'm talking about.
Oh, acha, acha,
35 minutes before.
Hmm.
I am thinking I'm targeting 6:15 is the flight. 50 by 50 they will close the gate is what I'm thinking. But they generally don't do that, right? They 40.
That
Five-
last final call, you know,
Yes.
they do this. This is the last final call.
Yes.
20 times.
Yes. Yes.
How last? What
Yes.
is this?
Yes. So I'm like 5:40 I have to reach. It's already I left house at exactly 4:52. I left in the cab. 4:45 I booked. 52 I left. Like 4:45 when I saw that the flight is at 6:15. 52 I'm in the
Out.
cab.
Yeah.
I'm in the cab.
Wow, this is crazy. This is Bamba.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Left the cab. Left it. We are going. Man, I'm getting red lights in the morning, bro.
What?
I'm getting red lights.
At 5 a.m.?
Yes, 5 a.m. red lights started,
Bro.
but very little. Like at least, but you're
few
stopping.
seconds, yes.
Stopping.
The momentum is not there.
I'm like, man, if I reach in 40 minutes, it is great. 40 minutes would be great, right? By 30, I'll reach by 5:30. That would be still getting red lights. Then he put fuel because he didn't have it. So there is no way we are going to the airport.
Yeah.
He's trying his best. He's
Yeah.
weaving.
He didn't think you will do this to him. Like, रास्ते में petrol भरवा देंगे. Like, what this guy is saying? Reach by 5:30.
Oh my god, I told him, and I am quiet because I don't want to tell him anything. I told him, now either he gets it or he doesn't get it.
Yeah.
He did well.
Yeah.
He was not the most rowdiest. There are some people who will make sure.
Yeah.
But this guy was still, he was driving fast, but
safe.
safe. Like I can't ask more than this. He's going and he's honking at people, get out of the way. He's honking. Everybody is like looking, and we reached the Hebbal. Then it's the straight. The fucking problem over there is 80 is the speed limit.
Oh, yeah.
You cross
that is
80,
true.
Rapido is like boop, boop, one huge alarm comes in. So this guy is like going 85, alarm comes in, he's coming to 79. Going at 79, then going, like while coming back yesterday, I took a cab. That driver was going 100. He didn't care about the alarm.
Oh.
Yeah, if the alarm was going, he switched off the volume, bro.
You got a nice person. You don't need a nice person in the morning.
Yeah.
Bro.
So the thing is, he's 80, he's going.
You
Right?
know, the only way you could have.
Yeah.
Okay, you continue. I'll tell
No,
you.
no, tell no. The only way.
You could have reached before time if you booked an ambulance. If you booked an ambulance,
Oh
it would have
man.
been crazy.
And you understand, like I'm not even looking at my phone. You know, when you are like, there's no way. And I
You
thought,
don't want to see the time again and again.
no, dude, I thought I'll go to the bathroom. I saw the time, it went in. Like the first time this happened when my body shut down. Dude, like the soul completely was shut.
Yeah.
Whatever was because I had hot water in the morning, whatever was coming out, it just went into the stomach. Like I've never experienced that. And I'm thinking,
Wow.
man, I should make it. Like there's a little bit of hope that I'll make it. On this road, 80, he can't go beyond 80. Road is empty. It's Thursday morning. Nobody is. That's like the middle of the week. Nobody is going anywhere.
5 a.m.
Terminal 2, right? Because I booked Air India,
Okay.
right? And
Oh,
I'm
the-
thinking Air India to always is like 15-20 minutes late. Reached the airport, started running.
What time did you reach?
I reached the
For
airport
the folks at
the
home.
folks at home at 44.
5:44.
Yes. 5:44 I reached the
Damn.
airport, right? 5:44 I reached the airport. If I reached little 5-6 minutes before that, it would be better.
Yeah. I understand where
Right.
this is going.
Reached the airport. There was got in, started running. Right, I don't even have a belt. My pant is coming down. I'm like pulling my pants. It was embarrassing.
Wow, this is like a movie scene, man. You're pulling your pants up and running.
I entered 6:15 flight. Boarding would have started already. 45 minutes they start the boarding anyways.
Yeah.
Right? 40 it would have started. 44. I got out through the security. I was out by wait a second. 50 I was out.
Okay. Wow, fast. Empty.
50 I was out. From there I started running.
Okay.
It was empty, but still I had like laptop, charger, power bank. You remove all of that and then I put all of them in. No packing. I just threw them in my bag. I'll pack it after I get into the flight, right? I'm running. I'll tell you 50 I reached the at when did I reach? 15 minutes plus 10. The problem from the security to the gate in Terminal 2.
Yeah, some 5 kilometers.
Bro, there's one, it goes down.
Yeah.
You seen that escalator?
Yeah.
How big that is?
Yes.
Dude, in that escalator, I'm running. I'm like, side. I'm shouting, side. Dude, I can't believe the escalator is like a 3 floors escalator.
Yeah.
Goes there and there I'm running. I got down, I'm running. 10 minutes has gone by.
So much running is happening.
10 minutes has gone by. 54 I reached the gate.
Okay.
Right? They closed it on me. They closed the gate on me. And I'm like, I will not be angry. I will convince them. Right? Ma'am, I'm like, I can't breathe. I'm sounding like Darth Vader, like, like I'm
open the gate. Like this guy
like
is a predator.
I'm like trying to cry because there is no tears, right? I thought if I cry, they will let me in. I'm like, there's an emergency. I'm telling you, I have to go to Visakhapatnam. There's an emergency. They're like, oh, okay, no problem, sir. We just closed the gate. We'll put you on the next flight. That's at 8 p.m. No problem, you can go for that. And that pissed me off so much because she was enjoying it. That lady at the counter.
She was happy about this.
And dude, the smile, the way I came running, I reached, she couldn't control her smile.
Oh.
And there was a guy sitting next to it, right? He's not part, but he's probably the gate, whatever, in charge.
Yeah.
The lady there are 2 ladies. One is a new lady, I can see. She's not saying anything. Sir, we can't do anything. We just close the gate right now. It's smiling, bro. I'm not even kidding.
Can you pretend to be sad? What is this?
Such violent thoughts in my head. I wanted to like just take the keyboard and like smash it
on her head, right?
On all Air India employees over there, dude. I was so angry.
Bro.
I was angry at myself, of course.
Yeah.
But then
that is first mistake.
That's mistake I did, but I made it. I'm like, when did you guys start becoming on time?
Yeah.
And I'm like, ma'am, the flight is there because it's one of those gates where you go directly to the flight.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
I can see it's not gone. They just closed it.
Yeah.
And there are some people standing at the door also.
So it's
they have not
like,
seated.
Oh.
They have not seated. It's just that
you could have gone.
I could have gone.
Oh.
And she's like, sir, we announced it. She said, we called you. Sir, you didn't call me. She didn't say anything. Generally, they call you if you're not there. They have my number. Okay, fair enough. It's my fault. I reached late. Sir,
but you can't lie blatantly like that.
She said, sir, you arrived at T minus 20 minutes. We closed the gate. We waited for 2 minutes. We closed the gate at T minus 22 minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
So I was 3 minutes late.
Damn.
3 minutes late, bro. They closed the door on me. I was so... Dude, I didn't leave.
See, if boarding was closed, I understand. They just closed the gate. Boarding was still going on.
Everybody has gone in. They are standing at the last.
Yeah,
like
which
few
means
people.
The door of the plane is not closed yet.
Door of the plane is not closed
Yeah,
yet.
that is what I'm saying. Which means boarding is happening.
Yes, door of the plane is not closed yet, but it's T minus 20 minutes.
Yeah.
They closed it. And I'm like, it's like, dude, I felt like they felt good at my helpless situation. Right, I'm also still not in the mood. I'm like still sad, but inside I'm like, you know that it's so much that I felt like laughing. Dude, I can't believe
3 minutes, bro.
6:15. Can you imagine reaching half an hour, 35 minutes before the flight and still making it?
Yeah.
That dude, when I got through the security, I'm like, I saw the time, I can make it. I didn't know that would take so much time. Right, if I just had a backpack, I would have probably made it. But I have a suitcase also. The small one. Still, I'm dragging it. Right, I'm running with that. It's just, dude, the way she was smiling. I just cannot. I cannot forget that face, dude. She's like, "We're so sorry, sir. Nothing can be done now." Just don't smile when you say that. No, don't smile.
You know what happened?
Yeah.
This is what I think
Yeah.
like whenever there are delays, right?
Yeah.
These guys have to. They have to hear so many things.
Huh.
Because people start yelling. People are
Yes.
crazy.
Yes.
You know that, right? So this is like their one small revenge
Yes.
victory,
Yes.
which
yes.
you fell as a victim.
Yeah. And
into.
I told myself I will not be angry at them because there's nothing their fault. They followed all the rules.
Mm.
But you just keep the door. Like yesterday I took a flight. We boarded it was still boarding at the time of the flight. Because
Yeah.
they keep that, no? From
Yeah.
suppose Bhubaneswar to here 2 hours, but the flight is 1 hour 30-40 minutes.
Yes.
How come you are on time today?
Yeah.
I told sir, like generally you board till, it's like, sir, all before 9 a.m. all flights are on time. I'm like, when did Air India? I told him, when did Air India? It's always, sir, look at our. I'm like, you don't have to say this to me. We all know about Air
Yeah, I
India.
see the news. We have seen crashes.
And yeah, I was bad. I had such.
I would have brought it up, bro.
I would have such bad thoughts over there, right? First of all, I'm telling you, is there a way you will open the gate? Then he says, sir, once you close the gate, if we open the gate, you have to pay 1.5 lakh penalty. I don't know what that is.
What?
I don't know. To the government, because you pay whatever all the terminals, you pay money. The flights pay money to the terminals to land there or to take this particular gate. Whatever charge it is.
That I understand.
Yeah.
But boarding is still happening.
Yes.
So if they open the gate,
No.
where is penalty?
Boarding. The thing is, that's not considered boarding. So once you close that is your point is so fair. The door is not closed.
Yeah, the plane's door is not closed.
Plane's door is not closed.
Yeah.
And I stayed there and I asked her, is there a way that they will open the gate?
Yeah.
It's like only if there's an emergency inside the flight. Bro, I prayed, bro. I prayed for some heart attacks inside. I'm like, anybody, please. How awesome it
I
would
hope the pilot dies.
Not pilot, bro. I'm like, some guy,
Yeah,
some
yeah,
old
yeah.
guy. Dude, can you get an emergency right now? Dude, I stayed there. I
Mm.
stayed there at the gate until the flight took.
Oh man.
And I was thinking,
you
man,
punished yourself more.
yeah, I punished myself more. I should have left because, see, at 6:15 the flight took off on time.
Okay.
6:15 or 6:14, whatever. The flight took off 6:15 and on time. And then once you miss your flight, they take a printout. And one lady, she has to escort me out. Felt like,
Escort you out, why?
you can't just leave. No, you have to go through security again. So you have to show no show at the gate. That's what my reason was.
Oh.
Security was cleared. I was no show at the gate. It's just
But she said 8 p.m. flight, 8 a.m. flight is
8 p.m.
Oh, 8 p.m.
Yeah, 8 p.m. And this Terminal 2, there is nothing. Indigo is Terminal 1.
That is so much pissing
And I
off.
was so angry. 7:40 a.m. there was an Indigo flight. Right? I'm like, should I go and take it? But then there was no more train because this was from to Visakhapatnam. The other one was to Bhubaneswar. I'm like, let's take the 7:41. You know what? There is nowhere to book tickets. I tried to book tickets because while going on the cab, I saw there's one 7:40. But 2 hours before, they don't show it anymore.
Oh, okay.
And I thought I'll book at the counter, but there's no Indigo counter at Terminal 2. So, or she was like, I'll try to find if there is an Indigo counter. That lady, what she did, like in school when they punish you, the teacher takes you to the principal. That's how I felt, bro. She came and she's like, follow me, and I'm walking behind her
With the school bag.
Everybody is looking at me. Why is this guy going in the opposite direction? And the security, you show the CISF. And then all CISF, what they have to do is they have to scan your boarding pass and give one reason. Their name, their ID. What was the reason? No show at the gate. So I learned some new things about missing a flight. It was so bad. Then
this is very embarrassing.
went out. There was no Indigo. I didn't look for the Indigo Terminal 2. There was nothing. No Indigo counter.
Yeah.
So I 7:40, 6:40 I reached the other time. 6:15. It took 15 minutes to come out. Then I took the shuttle bus to Terminal 1. I thought, okay, let's try to book the 7:40 a.m. flight. But that I couldn't book because it was below 1 hour. So they can't book anymore. So
Okay.
I reached around 6:43, 44. I reached, sir, I can't book anymore. There was one 11:40 flight.
You took that.
I took that. I booked
Oh.
that.
Okay, so you didn't leave the airport.
I didn't leave the airport. I went out near the bus stand. I had breakfast.
Mm.
Then I came inside and I was just sad, bro.
Bro, first of all, yeah, that is your fault.
Yeah, it was my
but
fault.
bro, until the plane door is closed, you should be allowed in. I
Dude,
guess.
if the plane door is not closed, how can you deny boarding to me,
yeah,
bro?
you can't be like boarding is closed. You can say boarding gate is closed. You can't say boarding is closed.
Yes, yes.
Because it's happening.
Yeah,
I can
yeah,
see it.
yeah. No, she said
This
boarding
is-
gate, whatever, gate is closed. That's what the gate is closed. Gate is closed. And she kept saying, sir, you arrived T minus 20 minutes. You arrived, like, they made a note of it.
Yeah.
T minus 20 minutes. Of course, I came T minus 20 minutes. I made a mistake and I made up a lot of things. It's an emergency, please.
Yeah.
I like tried, I was like really trying to tear up.
Yeah.
but
I
the
met with
tears-
an accident.
The tears were not coming, bro. Like,
There was so much hate, right?
dude, so much hate. And in my head, I'm thinking, man, the only way I'll feel really good
Yeah.
about missing the flight if this flight crashes.
I knew you would say this. You know, I knew it.
And I'm like,
I wanted to say it, but then I was like, let's wait for him to say it.
because that would have been, you understand, I would be
Yeah,
like,
that
I
would have
would have
been
gone and
crazy.
hugged that lady. Thank you for closing the boarding gate.
Yeah. T minus 22, lady.
Yes, bro, they always, like, every time you see all these things, no, they show, like, even with Air India and all those things, they show the people who missed their flight, right? They would have fought with that gate lady,
Yeah.
right, for sure, to get on the flight.
Yeah.
Then they are like, oh, we missed our flight. Why don't you thank them? If the
Yes.
flight, dude, I would have bought her like a car or something. If
Yeah, she deserves a nice
dude,
gift
I would
if
have.
that plane crashes.
Even that
yeah.
guy also, bro. What do you want, bro? You tell
Yeah,
me. I will.
yeah.
Your rent is on me. Then you know what I start thinking? What if I take the next flight and that crashes? That would be the worst possible situation where
Bro,
somebody.
that is horrible, bro.
I'm thinking this guy. You always hear about
And the
stories.
flight that you missed is gone, like properly landed nicely.
Yeah.
At the best, like George Clooney was there on the flight. Every good thing is happening in that flight which you missed, and every bad thing is happening here.
That's what I started thinking, bro. Because you always hear about how some people missed the flight and then they were saved. You never hear stories about how this guy missed his real flight and took this flight.
That is crazy, bro.
Dude, I'm like, no plane should crash. I was like in my. Oh man, it
Bro,
was.
imagine you miss. This is so crazy. Imagine
Yeah.
you miss the flight and go take another flight, and all the worst things are happening in that flight.
Yeah.
It's just horrible. Like you're sitting next to a fat dude who's just farting all the time.
Actually, it happened. There were like two babies, and the baby didn't shut up. And I'm like, man, I'm like, it's on me for thinking about the plane crash. Even as a joke, it's on me, dude. There was plane started. There was a
punishment.
baby was sleeping.
Hmm.
He entered the flight sleeping. Plane took off. Whole 1 hour he cried.
That is the time actually.
Yeah.
The moment it takes off, they start.
Whole
crying.
1 hour cried, and that guy
Pain.
is taking the baby up and down the aisle after it's at the cruising altitude, right? And it's like, I'm like, yeah, there's nothing. I told my parents my flight is delayed. They don't know. I can't tell my parents. You can't tell your parents you missed a flight, dude. It's over.
Respect is gone.
Dude, respect. They will, whatever things I'm doing wrong in life, they'll blame everything on this. They'll tell me you don't listen to your parents, you eat too much chicken. This is what happens when dude,
You ate chicken on a Monday. All those things come out.
Dude,
another thing
Yeah.
parents do is, like, if you tell them you missed a flight once, right?
Yeah.
Every time you have to go on a flight, they'll be like, hey,
That's
so annoying.
dude, that is the problem, dude.
Yeah.
I had 100% record.
Yeah.
I missed a flight. I have never missed a train also.
Mm.
I've missed a connecting train because our train hit some elephants. So then it was delayed for a while. So I missed that is not on me. That is not on
Aditya and Ananda.
That was, I remember, like once we were going from Barampur, one herd of elephants was passing by. They hit one elephant and it was delayed by 4 hours.
I have missed one train. Like this is Jodhpur station.
Yeah.
Me and my friends, we went to write an exam over there.
Yeah.
And we are returning back home, and we put our bags in the train. There are two people sitting. I mean, our friends only. One girl, one guy. They're sitting with our luggage, and 4 of us. We went out like we'll have something, some cold drink or whatever, right?
Yeah, but
And one guy was like, I need to fill water. And we started looking, there was no water, but one camper, not camper, what is that big thing called?
RO purifier.
Purifier kind of thing, right?
Huh.
It was on the first floor. Okay, so we went and he's filling water and we see train is going. We're standing there, train is going like this.
Oh
I'm
no.
like, oh. Then we started running. We chased the train. We couldn't get on. We stayed at the
Next train you guys took.
no, that was in the morning. So whole night we were at the station. We slept.
Oh my god.
slept.
And your friend had your bag.
Yeah, one guy, one girl, they had our luggage. They took our luggage and give it at home. My parents were. So this is what happened. But when I reached back, my mom told me this.
Mhm.
So I reached back. My mom told me, "Why didn't you call us and tell us this happened?"
How? Why didn't you call them?
I don't remember the numbers and all, bro. We are in the mobile world now
Ah.
already.
Oh, but you didn't have a mobile phone.
I did have. So from
Hmm.
any PCO, STD booth, I have to call.
I remember my dad and my mom's number.
I
all the
didn't
time.
remember. Okay.
Yeah.
Because there was no situation like
Yeah.
I
yeah.
had a notebook.
Also, why do you need 4 people to go fill up one bottle of water?
I know. We just went out to have a cold drink,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
One guy wanted to fill water. We should have been like, "Tu jaake bhar le, bhai."
Yeah.
We
he would
all
have,
went.
he would have missed it. So you guys stayed in the station.
Yeah, all night.
This is fine, bro. Like when you're in a group, it's all right. You see, I'm alone at the airport.
Yeah.
Like it felt like I'm literally alone there.
Yeah.
Like there is nobody.
Yeah.
You can't tell anybody that I missed the flight. I told my flight is delayed. So they're like, "हाँ, Indigo तो delay होता है, right?"
Well,
Oh
listen
my
to this.
god. Huh.
So this my friend took my bag and luggage to my home,
yeah.
and they also didn't say that they missed the train.
Huh?
That's the first thing you should
Yeah,
say, right?
Yeah.
My mom opens the gate and this guy is like, "ये आपके like वो Jotin का bag or luggage," right? And my
Like-
mom immediately started crying like I died, bro.
Yeah.
That's the first thing that will come, right?
Yeah. Also, like your dad was in the
Yeah.
like the military, so that's how you bring the remains home, right? That's like Yera Jotin ka luggage.
Yeah.
Oh
And
my
like when-
god.
So I
That is
came
so
back.
stupid, bro.
Yeah, my
Your
mom was like, "You tell us, no." He said, "Ye Jotin ka saman." I'm like, "What the hell?" I went to my friend, like, "Are you stupid, bro? Just say he missed the train. What is wrong
yeah, because
with
he
you?"
would have assumed that you called them.
Yeah,
Right?
that is true.
Don't put
That
it
is
on
true.
him. Right
That is
now I
true.
understand.
That I understand.
Yeah.
It's my mistake
But
plus
you-
his mistake.
No, the thing is, why would he think that you have not informed?
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
he was thinking, you are like normal, you remember your dad's number, normal son, but apparently,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
Bamba. Yeah,
didn't
man.
remember, bro. My mom was like, "Wow." I almost started crying. And,
Yes.
he's like, "He missed a train." And I'm like, okay. That is fine. That was not a big deal anymore. My mom was like happy he missed the train. He's not under a train.
Oh my god. No, he missed our train, the other train got him. That would be funny. Man.
Just,
It's like, I'm never missing a flight ever in my life, bro.
but did you tell your parents you missed? No, right?
No. I didn't tell. I didn't tell anyone. Only my cousin I told. And she was like, I'm like,
Your
don't.
cousin watches this, no?
Yeah.
Ah.
My sister's also, like my sister when she lost her passport in Europe, first time she went to Europe trip,
Hmm.
because my cousin was already studying there.
Hmm.
On the day of return, she lost her passport.
Oh.
She was at a cafe, she left it there, and she reached the airport, realized no passport. Flight gone, everything gone. She went to the embassy. They have one service where they give you passport immediately.
Okay.
Immediately in the sense, you miss your flight.
Like a duplicate one, yeah.
No, original one. They'll just
Oh.
make it. Because of this, they know that people miss, they lose their passport all the time, I
Hmm.
guess. So,
Indians, right?
Yeah. So at least it'll take 5-6 hours.
Hmm.
And then I got a call because you have to give contacts.
Verification.
I got a call. I verified everything. And then my sister told me, don't tell at home. I'm like, don't worry. I won't tell.
Hmm.
So you miss a flight, you can't tell. I lost like a lot of money
Yeah.
because I booked a last minute flight.
yeah.
Like double of what you generally pay, I paid.
Hmm.
Which was fine. I thought it would be like way more.
Hmm.
But that's the normal price. Double of that I paid. God, I
Plus
like.
you had to book again.
Yeah, my train was also gone. Train was from Visakhapatnam. I had to book another train from Bhubaneswar. So I left at 4:30 in the morning.
Oh.
I reached home at 6:30 p.m. for 14 hours. I was supposed to reach at
Is it
1.
6:30, 7:30? What time did you reach? Can you tell me the correct time?
6:30. I reached at 6, reached home 6:30. Man, I can't believe I missed the flight like that, dude.
Bro, that was so dumb to be like, okay, 6:15 means 7:15.
I
That was so stupid,
dude,
bro.
my brain is like, of course you will not book a 6:15 a.m. flight. 7:15 also makes sense because you can leave by 4:45. 5 you can leave. Even at 5 you leave, you'll reach by 6. 7:15 makes so much sense.
Hmm.
Because imagine I left for a 6:15 flight. I left at 4:52.
Hmm.
I'm reaching at beyond 5:15 also not. I'm reaching at 5:40.
45, yeah.
5:40, 42, sometime around, and
Hmm.
still I made it.
Yeah.
I think that's a punishment. If I would have made it, I would have been too cocky.
Yeah, that is
Right?
true.
I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure, dude,
yeah.
I would have been
You
so
would
cocky.
be unstoppable.
Dude, I would have
Bro,
been.
You would end this podcast. You'd be like, I'm too big to talk to Jyotin.
Dude, I'm telling you, if I would have made that flight, I would have. Imagine I go there and they're waiting like that. Jaya Bachchan in Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, right? With like just we were waiting for you. That's what I'm. Man, dude, I was out of breath.
Yeah.
And then she's smiling. Sorry, sir, gate is closed. Don't smile at me like that, dude. I was so angry, man.
She was also enjoying this. Like,
she enjoyed.
I get yelled at for these things.
That guy is like, we're always on time, dude. Who the are you talking? Dude, you think I
Yeah.
just came to India right now?
Yeah.
You think I don't know Air India? We are on time all the time.
First of all, there's India in your name, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
that only shows me you're not going to be on time all the time.
You know what? All the CISF officers, they all empathized with me. Oh, you missed your flight. Yeah, it's okay. Hota hai. It's like they were saying nice things. This, even the lady who took me out, she was like, I will find a Indigo person. Don't worry. Because Terminal 1 is Indigo. She's like, let me see. I'll call somebody. I'm like, it's all right. I'll go. I'm going there anyways. So I said, cool. But that lady, dude, the way she was smirking.
Bro.
Dude, I just hope this year
I
goes
think
really
yesterday-
bad for her. I genuinely hope she misses all the flights, right?
I think one day before she got yelled at
Yeah,
for something and
Yeah.
she's like, today is my day.
But that is, if you're in a job like this, right, customer care or anywhere, you have to
Yeah,
face
that's-
the client.
yes.
You have to be ready for this,
Yeah.
bro. This is India. Everywhere it happens. I'm pretty sure. Also in America, Karens are everywhere. So,
yeah.
and I
Or do you think she doesn't know when to smile and not to smile? Like it's a daily problem.
I think they told her that in this job you have to smile a lot. She's like, say no more. That pissed me off so much, bro. Like, because dude, why are you smiling at? Right, just be sad for me a
Yeah.
little bit.
You can shout at me. That's better
Yeah,
than
yeah,
smiling.
yeah, yeah.
You can be like, hey sir, why are you
Dude,
late?
it was one
That's
of the
better.
most low volume confrontation because I'm like, if I even make one noise, they will kick me out.
Yeah,
Right? They will drag me.
Yeah.
They are waiting for it, right? So
Yeah.
I'm like, please, can you do something? And I'm like trying to,
Yeah, your
you know, when
sexy
you
voice.
choke up. You know, when you cry, you choke up, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying. Can you please this? And I'm like, I'm bringing out, I'm watching Daniel Day-Lewis and learning acting on the side. I'm like, can you please? Watching
Yeah.
There Will Be Blood already.
Damn.
Man, I missed
Bro.
my flight. Like,
All the acting that comes out that time when you're faking.
and I'm like, I didn't even think it through. I'm like, there is an emergency. I'm not saying what the emergency is, right? I'm like, there's an emergency. I have an operation. Like, I
Yeah.
said some shit like that. Then I realized, why would you leave Bangalore to go to Visakhapatnam for an operation? I'm like, so
Mom's emergency could say.
yeah, but I didn't want to.
Always works.
Yeah, but I knew that they are not doing it.
Yeah.
Like, it's like, so I'm like, fuck it. So sad.
One funny thing I have seen at the airport.
Huh.
This is not related to your thing.
Yeah.
Like you go down, right?
Yeah.
There, you take the escalator, go down. There's
Yeah.
a KFC counter over there.
Yes, Terminal 1 you're talking about.
Yeah,
right?
I'm talking about Terminal 1, not
Yeah.
Terminal 2.
Yeah.
So I thought, okay, I'll order something. But it was just a counter. There was
Mhm.
no kitchen or nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought there is, I mean, I don't know how they are getting it.
Huh.
I ordered. This lady left in front of me, went to the first floor, got the order and came back. That was so
Oh.
funny to me to see.
So wait a second. In Terminal 1, you went to KFC.
Yeah.
You placed an order where at the...
So Terminal 1,
I got it.
KFC
I
is there.
got it. So where you take the bus,
yeah.
the bottom terminals,
Yes,
where you go in the
yes,
bus,
yes.
there is one KFC. I
Yes.
got it.
So I ordered over there.
Yeah.
This lady went up,
Yeah,
got
yeah.
my order and came back.
Yes,
That was
yes.
so funny to me
Yeah,
to
yeah.
see, like,
That's how you sell, because they have an outlet over there. So
Yeah.
it happens in even in Goa airport they have it.
okay.
So what happens is
Goa airport is so small.
it's so small, but there are so many food courts, right, or food outlets. They come and give you the menu. One guy will come and give you the menu. You take, he'll bring it for you. Because they are like, acha, it's so expensive, might as well. That's better, bro.
That is better.
Yeah.
This I understand.
You want me to pick up 400 rupees burger, which is generally 150 rupees.
Yeah.
I pay 400. I will pick it up.
Yeah. That I understand. Like
Yeah.
they are giving you menu and they're giving
Yeah,
it to you.
yeah.
But there is a counter.
Yeah.
They could have just sent the lady to be like take orders if anybody is giving,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
She's standing at the counter.
Huh.
You order, right?
Yeah. She'll go.
If like 4 or 5 people give orders, if you give order,
Yeah,
let's say,
yeah.
and then I come,
Yeah.
I have to wait for her to come back.
Yeah, yeah. It's like, one of those Indian companies who say they have AI, but some 200 Indians are over. That's
like
what
that.
you think some automation will come.
Yeah. I was like, okay, wow, these guys have some connection.
So many companies are like that. They say they have AI, but
They
they're
got
like,
caught, no?
200 Indians are
Yeah.
working. One of my cousins, she is working in Germany. She was saying they are doing that. She works in like all these, I forgot the company. They make like sustainable, they help companies be more sustainable.
Okay.
Recycling and all
Mm.
those things. They are saying that they say that they are AI, but we are the ones doing it.
Why did you reveal it like
It's
this?
alright, bro.
It's over.
It won't reach anywhere.
It's over.
Nobody knows the company. I mean, it can be any company. It can be TCS also,
Yeah.
or it can be Air India. Maybe their autopilot is really one guy.
He's inside the machine. He's just steering from there.
Inside the cockpit is there, like this, controlling the
he's
levers.
Controlling. There's a small window. There. He's just.
The nose, there is a one in the nose. He's sitting on the nose.
Yeah.
No man.
It's just. How
Yeah.
crazy this.
This.
But yeah, at the end of the day, that is AI. Whatever, like Chat GPT or anything you use,
Yeah.
there are people feeding data to it. No.
But now that it's automated in the sense.
No. Yeah. It became automated later.
Correct.
But starting to it was like that only.
I mean,
for
yeah, AI
bring
also you have to.
2000.
Somebody has to build AI.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
They fed it.
In future, AI will create other AIs that will be unstoppables, bro.
Yeah.
That will
Yeah.
be, yeah.
The learning thing is already happening.
Yes.
Like
yes.
this is what I read. So there are a lot of people who
Hmm.
are using AI for therapy, right?
Yeah.
So according to all the therapy books and all which AI knows now,
Yes. Yes.
they have they say things what a regular therapist would say,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So the main thing is to make that place a safe space, right?
Correct.
Correct.
Hmm.
But this is AI.
Yeah,
It should
yeah.
be like if there is something serious,
Yeah.
you should tell the kid to tell your parents, right? That is not. It is not doing that. It is actually acting like a human therapist. Be like, you can tell me. Don't need to tell anybody who is not ready to hear this. I'm here to hear
Oh.
this. Tell me. We'll handle this together. We will handle this together. Like, what will you do, bro? You are in a computer. You getting my point?
Yeah. That's
So
dangerous, bro.
Yeah, that is what they were saying. Ki okay, you can do therapy, whatever, but at one point you have to like, talk to your parents or go to your real therapist. You can't be like, keep talking to me.
It's like no need to go to the real
Yeah,
therapist.
he's like, talk. No.
Yeah.
It can't say real therapist. It thinks it is a real therapist.
But in the beginning, it will give a disclaimer, bro.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Anything even for
Yeah.
doctors and all, anytime you see I have a pain over here, they will
Yeah.
give you all the things and they're like, okay, you should consult a doctor
Yeah.
just for the legal purpose.
Yeah.
It's just that.
But if you keep continuing talking, then it adapts, right?
Yes,
That is the
yes.
problem. Later it becomes like a big problem for all these people who are using this for therapy, or mostly kids are using.
Yeah, a lot of people are using it, bro.
Yeah.
Because it's very accessible, it's cheap.
Yeah,
it's
just
free.
right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and like therapists charge a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. That day I was like, man, I should have talked to ChatGPT about this. I was so sad, dude. I was
Mm.
so sad. Extremely sad, and I'm like hungry also. I'm like, man, now I have to eat at the airport. And that's like
That's another
cost
punishment.
me like some 5,000 rupees to fill my stomach in the airport.
Little bit. Fill your stomach little bit.
Yeah.
You can't quench your hunger over there, bro.
I was so sad. I was like, you can't do anything at that point. Yeah, that's like.
That's just crazy.
Yeah,
decision.
why?
Like you can't be Bamba like.
So, bro,
this
it's over.
is-
No more Bamba. Only on the podcast I'll be Bamba, bro. In real life, no more Bamba. Yeah, while coming back, I checked my
Real
flight.
life
some-
is tough, bro. Bamba is tough. Real life, guys. In real life, don't be Bambas. Just
you can have your Bamba moments. And
Yeah,
this was one of
yeah.
those Bamba moments where
yeah.
because I slept also nicely, bro. That pissed me off. Like I slept at 11:30, woke
Thinking
up at
7:15. Yes.
4:30. I woke up. Nice 5 hours sleep I got.
Yeah.
It was like I woke up fresh.
Mm.
And I'm chilling. I'm like, brushing my teeth, and then I'm like setting my
Taking
hair.
all the time.
Taking all the time. 4:30, bro. 4:40, I would have left. I would have made it, bro.
Yeah.
At 4:30, if I saw it 6:15, I would have made it.
Yeah, because you got ready in 7 minutes. You would have
Yes.
left by
Yes, I would have like exactly. Not even. I was ready. I got down. The cab is coming.
Or if that driver reduced the rapido alarm.
Yeah, I would have made it. But it's like, I
Yeah.
mean, the same thing, dude. I would have been too cocky.
Yeah.
Got
you
humbled
can't
on the
blame
New Year.
everybody though. I mean, 60% is your fault.
I
would say.
100% is my
No,
fault.
60% is yours.
Yeah.
Right? Let's say 75. 10% I will blame that lady. T minus 20 lady.
Oh my
She
god.
could have said, ki,
She
okay,
said-
quickly go.
We waited for 2-3 minutes. That's what she's telling me. If she would have called me, I'm like, I'm running. Please don't close the gate. I'm running. Please don't close the gate. She didn't even call me. Indigo.
Is that a protocol they have to call?
Indigo people call, bro.
Oh, Air India.
I had booked my dad's ticket.
Check that. Sue them.
Can't sue, bro. I just reached late. They're like, why were you? It's written everywhere. Boarding gate closes 25 minutes. Bro, there's nothing you can do. I checked everything. Yeah.
This is actually, you can't do anything. It's
It's
your
just-
fault.
It's just sad, bro. It is just sad. Yeah. Next week, you know what? Next week I'll probably have my driving test. So hopefully I'll clear that and I'll be in a better mood.
Oh, wow. So you are not in good mood right now?
I forgot, but that day, every time you remember, you're sad, bro.
Yeah, you're
That-
back. You're back because of this episode.
Yeah. Also, I didn't tell you what happened. The last driving class I took, right, bro, that was one adventure I went on.
Like what?
So last day, they give you 10 classes, 9 classes, and last class will be on the day of the test. That I'll finalize next week or the week after that. I'll find a date and they will give me a date. So last day we were going a little far,
Okay.
and they were so that ideally he shouldn't have. But we went to a place where they wanted to change the seats of the car. So might as well do it on the job, right? I'm running errands now, right? So, bro, we went to one place
Oh, wow. This is
called Annapalya,
okay.
which is like Ejipura is like UB city compared to that. That's how bad
Wow,
it is. Dude,
really?
there are no roads. Like you can go anywhere. Like there are no roads. Wherever you drive, that's
It's a
the-
farm. You're just driving in a farm.
It's where it is. You take the Hosur road. The Banarghatta junction comes where you don't take a left, you take a right.
Okay.
There's
Okay.
that. I'm like you don't
Never
even see.
been there. Yeah.
You don't even see.
Yeah, correct.
And I'm driving
I
somehow.
didn't even know there was a right.
Dude, somehow we went there, and I'm asking, what is this place? It's like Annapalya. We stopped. They changed the whatever work was remaining. They did 5 minutes. Came back. Now we're getting out. Road is this much, this width.
Okay.
This width. So
Okay.
if you are going, if the car is coming from that side, you can't do it.
Okay.
So there is one bike stuck behind us. He's
Okay.
honking.
Okay.
I'm like, you can't go, bro. Where will I? There is no way for me to give you space. And I'm driving under 20 only. When you're learning under 20, like 10 days, I've never gone over 20. 20
Why?
is the max.
They say that?
They say that just keep it 20, they say, because you are
Okay.
learning.
Okay.
So you go fast, then you hit someone, then it's your fault. Under 20, he's there. He has to handle whatever happens. There's nothing on me, because that's their responsibility. They say we'll drive under 20. I'm like, all right, no problem. And slow is what you'll ride in Bangalore anyways.
Yeah.
So last day we went,
That is
like,
so true.
there was traffic was there. There's a lot of traffic was there, and this guy, I'm driving. This area is a full
I understood.
that area, right? And this guy is one
Rowdies.
not rowdies,
Then?
like right. I'll beep it, but so this guy is clearly
Beep.
the driver is clearly, from whatever he has said, he's misogynist, he's
Okay.
sexist.
Okay.
And now you can't, first of all, he's teaching you how to drive. You can't disagree at any cost. He is making me uncomfortable several times, but I have to agree. So he already likes me because he thinks I'm on his side. And he will tell you, like, this is what he's telling me. He told me, sir, वो पार्क है ना, वहाँ पे रात को एक लड़का लड़की आए थे, right? And they were harassed.
While you are driving, he's telling you
Yes,
this.
वहाँ पे harass.
हाँ.
Some guy गांजा पीने आया, तो वो लड़की को harass कर दिया. He's telling me, किसका गलती है? He's asking me, right? Dude. Bro, why don't you give me
can't even
your
laugh at
opinion?
this.
Give me
Can't
your
even
opinion.
laugh at
Don't
this.
ask me. And I'm like, I'm driving. I'm like, I can't even look at him. I'm like, I'm like, what do I say? किसका गलती है? तेरा गलती है, bro. People like you are the problem. I can't tell him to his face.
Yeah.
Right? And this guy is like, he's chit chatting. He's like, he's telling me a lot of things. He's like, he's from local. He's telling the whole history of their driving school. He's like trying to be close to me, and they're telling me shit like this. Right? And then this guy is honking, right? This guy like, ये लोग ऐसे ही हैं. Right? He's like fully, yeah, ये area ऐसा है, गंदा है, इनका area. He's telling all those things. This guy came.
Yeah.
This guy, and at one point the road was a little wide, so he overtook. He came and he looked into that, and this is what he told me. He's like, sir, यहाँ सीख जाओगे तो हर जगह चला दोगे. And he smiled and he left. Right? And he gave a compliment. He's like, सही है, यहाँ सीख जाओगे तो हर जगह चला दोगे.
Which means he's a nice
This
guy.
guy was shocked. This
Yeah.
guy was shocked. I'm like, अच्छा आदमी है. He's telling me
Damn.
अच्छा आदमी है.
Yeah.
Like ऐसे हर लोग ऐसे अच्छे नहीं होते. ये अच्छा आदमी है. And he was
wow,
shocked,
wow.
dude, that he could
He
not.
still had to say सब लोग ऐसे नहीं होते.
Yes.
Can you imagine?
Yes. And
that is just
even I was like, man, this such a nice guy. This is the problem. You see, this is what prejudice does to you. Even I was like, he's honking. He'll say something, यहाँ क्यों सीख रहे हो? Main road जाओ, whatever. He is like, sir, यहाँ सीख जाओगे तो हर जगह सीख जाओगे. And I smiled and he left. That's not great, dude.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it just changed the perception.
Yeah.
Like he's filling my head also. I'm like, yeah, man, यहाँ पे लोग अच्छे नहीं हैं. I'm like driving. Yeah, this guy will be, and the way he came and he looked into it on the side scooty. I'm like, this guy will say something, but he's like, यहाँ सीख जाओगे हर जगह सीख जाओगे, and he left. Like while laughing, he said that. So this guy, so we
Then,
went to one
did
of.
he say anything?
No, then he
Nothing.
while coming,
Okay.
he's telling this park story. I'm like, what do
But
I
have you
even
ever,
do?
like somebody says something like that? Have you
Yeah.
ever been like, yes, सही बार. Have you ever done that, like yes handed? Because you know that is so wrong.
I said, yeah.
You said?
Yeah. What do I do, bro?
Yeah, that makes sense, no?
What do I say?
Because you know it is so wrong. You can't be
And
like,
I'm
you
like-
can't argue.
I'm like, हाँ रात को आना थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, सेफ नहीं है, रात को तो नहीं आना चाहिए.
Yeah.
And you can't ask me किसका गलती है.
Yeah,
You can't
yeah.
directly ask me
Yeah.
किसका गलती है, bro. It's like तेरा गलती है, bro. That's what I wanted to tell him. Like, bro, it's you. Don't you see? And then he started telling the whole history. So this driving school, the main driving school was in Ejipur. It's still there.
Okay.
That's his brother. Two brothers fought.
Okay.
One brother shifted here. So he's like, I worked for 20 years for that brother. Then when they fought, this brother came here. I came with him.
Okay.
That's what he was telling me. Yeah.
What is this? Driver joint fights.
Yeah. So he's like, कोई problem नहीं, license मिल जाएगा. He's telling me. So I don't want to piss him off because I want my license also. So that's what
But
happened.
this is just crazy, bro. And really, sometimes like when they say something crazy, you also say something crazy, bro. Don't back out.
No, if
Because
I
you
say
know you
something-
don't mean it.
True, but if I say something crazy, he will think I'm his friend. And like he lives here, he'll say hi, hello, and like is already, this guy is like for 10 days we went for 1 hour, 10 dates I had with this guy, right? So that's like 1 hour dates. So that's the thing, we are a lot closer. I don't want to take it to the next level, right?
So when you start driving school and whatever, right? It is for 10 days, you're saying. And
Yes.
then when is the exam?
So first you go, they give you the license that day. Once the learning license is
yes.
done, he will come
Or
from
the driving school only gives you.
yeah,
Okay.
he will do it. You will give all your details, he'll fill it up, he'll do it. And then there is a test, they only do it. It's a test you will pass anyways. It's very easy test. They will do that. It's like all simple questions.
Theoretical.
And 15 out of 15 you have to like 8 or something you have to answer. While giving you 8, if you answer first 8, test ends. You have passed. It's like that. It's very easy.
Oh, you can't even score like 100.
No,
100.
no, you already crossed the threshold. You passed already. And after that, he'll call you from tomorrow. Give us your time. What time do you want to come? And then if, some days like Christmas and all, I didn't go. New Year's I didn't go. We just did later. So total 9 classes I did, and the 10th class will be on the day of the test. It's hopefully I'll get the test and I'll feel better, dude. It's been like seriously.
That's great. I hope you win.
Huh.
You need a win this year.
I need to win, bro. One thing I realized, first of all, autos, though, if you drive a car, you have to come at peace with yourself that let the auto go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let everybody, the biker go, everybody go.
Yeah, biker too. Yes.
Merch.
Yeah. This
I'm
crazy.
only imploding.
My one problem I have seen, it's like how this is, nobody is offended at this. You've seen in like all the autos, they put photo of either Sanjay Dutt
Yeah, heroes.
or their heroes. They put it in the back. They put it in the bottom. Right? You've seen that?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Don't put it there. I saw one auto, like somebody has his hero's photo is there and somebody has banged it. So that guy has a black eye, his nose is broken. Dude, that's that's your hero, bro. Treat him nicely, dude.
Maybe he put it there for protection. Like my hero will protect my auto.
Yeah, broken nose, bro.
His face is all like crooked. Hilarious. That's funny.
That's what they do. Seen that? I think that location is not nice. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. Put it on the yellow thing on the top, whatever.
Yeah.
We have one email to read.
Yeah, but how's your weekend? Tell me your weekend, bro.
I was to not well. What will I do? I was just at home, not doing anything. The whole week was bad. Weekend we did shows. Oh, you didn't do any show this weekend?
No, I didn't do any. I was
so
home.
we did, bro. What do I tell you? It was the worst. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 shows we did. Sunday was great. People wanted comedy.
Okay.
Right? Other 2 days they didn't. They just showed up because it was their New Year resolution. I have to go to a comedy show. Bro, they were so bad. Friday was little better because they were just disappointed at the jokes. They didn't like our jokes, but they were paying attention.
Okay.
Saturday was, they were like, oh, really? This kind of crowd was there.
That's bad.
And the most people came on Saturday only. It's like all group of like very caring, humble people. They showed up.
Yeah. And like the thing is, like you get people who are not aware of the type of comedy we do.
Yeah.
Like if they go for like somebody like Gaurav Kapoor Gupta, they might enjoy.
Yeah.
But it's very specific. You need to watch some stand-up to get the context of what we do.
I'll tell you one. So people were not laughing, so I addressed it, and one lady shouted, "Because we have feelings." I was like, keep it at home and then come. What is wrong with you?
You have feelings.
Yeah.
You think I don't have feelings just because I'm doing a joke? You think I have no feelings? Like how?
And she's like, we can't laugh. We have feelings.
Oh my god!
How can we laugh? I'm like, laugh is not a feeling. Happy is a feeling. Laugh is just something you do. It's a reaction. It's not a feeling.
Yeah.
And she's like, no, that is wrong. I'm like, do you know mental patients? They don't know what a feeling is, but they keep laughing all day long.
I was
She kept
asking
quiet
Anand
after
also. Yeah, I was. Oh my God, you said all that.
All that, bro. I had to win, bro. I
Good.
needed
But
one win.
others laughed.
No, it was going bad. That's why I had to say these things, bro. Otherwise, why would I bring it up?
Did you go last?
Wait, Saturday I went last. Yes.
Okay.
No, I didn't know. Anand went last. Yes, Anand
All
went
right,
last.
all the best, bro.
I was like, Anand, bye bye, bro.
Yeah, he said like last 5 minutes he got some laughs. That's what he was telling yesterday.
Yeah.
Then it was Saturday. He said, bro, Saturday was like
Saturday
like Sonpur Mela or whatever.
Bro,
Uh,
I did some puns also. It didn't work. It's just I tried anything.
yeah, but you can't do anything.
Yeah.
You want to read the mail?
Yeah. Let's do this.
Okay. January 9th, we got one mail. Name is Reasonable Bag. All right, that's a good name.
Hmm.
Hi, Somnath and Jyotin.
Hmm.
I have a question for you. How
Okay.
much of your dreams can you recollect the next day? I'm asking because my wife recounts her dreams in such vivid detail that I sometimes wonder if they are real stories while mine are just vague.
Hmm.
I know I dreamed about something, but I can't remember or describe every single frame.
Hmm.
Can you share some weird dreams you have had if you remember them?
Hmm.
My latest one is pretty nice, dude. I was traveling by train at night,
Hmm.
sleeping on my seat when I felt a snake inside my pants.
Bro, this guy got us.
It's
This
like
guy is
no
like-
euphemism, an actual snake. I
Uh,
get it because
yeah.
last time we were talking about snakes.
Yeah.
I remember. I vividly recall holding its head from outside the fabric.
Hmm.
See, I am also like this guy.
Hmm.
Once in a while, I'll remember
Correct.
vivid details.
Hmm.
Most recent one, I have not shared this because he asked about dream. I'll share it,
Hmm.
but it's very sad. It's very sad. It's good and sad at the same
Hmm.
time. Good because we were doing a live podcast
Okay.
in a club.
Okay.
There are people,
Wow, man.
right? And
I-
I remember that I was running around. Bro, battery is not over. like I was changing batteries. Like we don't have a team. You are putting the video. I'm putting like
Oh, you're saying we don't have a team. We are running
We
around.
are running
Oh,
around. Like we are
okay.
recording the podcast while producing it ourselves.
Yeah.
That was my dream.
Oh.
I'm like, bro, what kind of dream am I getting? This year.
Oh,
First week of Jan, I got this dream.
bro. I hope the dream comes true. Just half of it, like a live show. Second half, we should have somebody.
But I woke up sad, bro. I'm like,
Yeah, that's a
in
very
the
sad
dream
thing,
also,
bro.
I'm like
Yeah.
running around.
No, it is. Do you know why?
Yeah.
Because this is something which bothers you, and it is coming into your dream. Like this
Dream.
is gonna happen. like,
oh my god,
That is
dude.
the thing,
Damn, you've been talking to ChatGPT, therapist.
bro. I have like.
But this guy's dream is definitely sex related. He's holding the head of the snake from his above his pants. That's like the tip of your penis. That's what. It's like a very. I mean, you see it as a snake, but I'm pretty sure this one is like easy to interpret.
Yeah,
It's some
possible.
Sexual whatever. Like I mean, he's
maybe-
married, so he's like sex is not a problem for him.
Yeah.
So, but it's like,
Maybe, or he's thinking I'll die because of this.
oh, that's also true. Snake dreams are pretty common. Last
Very
week I was
common.
telling that
Yeah,
two
yeah.
snakes bit me, not
Yeah.
even one. That was my
Is
dream.
there is some saying, right? Something happens. I don't know. Like they say, like if you have a snake dream,
Yeah.
something good is gonna happen or something
Oh.
bad is gonna happen.
Oh my god.
Like I don't know.
I missed my flight,
Yeah, that is.
bro.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
I saw. So I also, if you're watching, I generally don't remember my dreams.
Hmm.
They say if you don't remember dreams, you are having a deep sleep.
Hmm.
But the days when you remember, which means you didn't have a deep sleep and the dreams were very solid, maybe strong
Yeah,
or
yeah.
whatever. I-
Structural dream, like.
Yeah. So lucky for this person who has asked, last night I had a dream and I remember this. And it is, I can't believe what I saw. I don't know how it came.
What was the dream?
So this is what happened. So, like an open area is there, okay?
Hmm.
There's a building and you enter the building and then the open area is there.
Hmm.
Okay, so I am entering with my friends. Okay, I have friends. You are there. Few other people are there.
Hmm,
Okay,
hmm.
we are entering together. We are like in a picnic mode,
Hmm,
right?
hmm.
You are wearing some hats and shirts.
Yeah,
and cool
yeah.
shit,
Yeah.
right? And we see there are people sitting in that open area, and there's a big body, and there's a that colorful kambal, you know, that flowery kambal.
Yes.
It is on that body. Okay, so I was like, is it a funeral? Why the cloth is colorful? If it was white, I would be like, this is a funeral, right? But no, but every other thing, if you don't see the body, you will be like, yeah, this is a funeral. But if you see the body, you're like, why that colorful kambal?
You know where you
Right?
see that? You see the railway station. Like in the platform, people are sitting in the winter season. Mostly they put that colorful kambal and then
Yeah.
they sleep.
So, no, this is not one guy sleeping.
Then?
So in the center, so no, I mean one guy is sleeping in the center,
Hmm.
but there are people sitting around it. People are sitting around it.
Hmm.
There are two guys sitting next to it. They are wearing white. Okay, this is
Hmm.
what I saw.
Hmm.
We went somewhere. Okay, and then I don't remember anything else. We are coming back. Okay, coming outside the building,
Yeah.
and we saw that guy. They are doing some rituals, and the kambal is off. He's naked. He's huge. He's naked, and they are doing some rituals. And I remember like
Bro.
standing there and looking at it, and then running out, running out.
Bro.
This is what I remember.
Bro.
I don't know.
Bro, I got news for you, bro.
Tell me the news. Don't
Sleeping. Dude.
Can you sugarcoat it?
I can't, bro. It's like there's a lot of meat in it, bro. I can't sugarcoat. Bro, sleeping. Bro, you're dreaming about naked guys, dude. It's-
bro, bro, this guy.
Bro,
It's
that's
a dead
an
body,
bro.
bro.
You
That's
were
a dead body.
no, you were
They are
dreaming
doing some
about.
ritual over it.
That's like you dreamt about the Epstein Island, bro. That's what you dreamt about.
Wow, wow, way to go, bro. Way to go.
Yeah, but that dream, it's like very tough to interpret.
I
that
don't know.
dream.
I was in the morning. I was thinking, why did I see that? What is that? What does it mean?
It's
Like a dead body.
maybe see that's the thing. No, they say that sexuality is a scale.
Hmm.
Like your scale is shifting this side a little bit.
Oh, you're like my type is dead man. You're telling me I'm a gay necrophile. Wow, man.
Possible.
Now
But
then.
it's like most people.
Then why did I run? I'm not ready for it. You're saying.
You're not you were running back to the closet, bro. That's what
But why were you with me?
Don't bring me into this, bro.
You were there, bro. It sounds more gay now, right?
Don't bring me into this. There were a lot of other men, right?
Other men means?
I mean, there were other friends also.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
We were in a group and they were in a group. Like people are sitting and crying
It's
and
a
shit.
straight dream, bro. I was there. It's a straight dream. Don't worry about it. This is nice. Yeah. So, guys, send us your weird dreams because this is a nice question. Please write us more questions, guys. This is nice. Send us your
Yeah.
more dreams.
And he asked, no, his wife remembers vividly. I
yes.
think because she's not sleeping well, first of all. That is very important. If
Mm.
she's sleeping well, she won't remember everything vividly.
Okay.
That
Okay.
is
But
for
is
sure.
it a thing that even I've seen like when Snigdha doesn't sleep, full deep sleep,
Mm.
is it like women don't sleep well? Is that a thing? Or is it like sexist? Like I'm asking, bro. I'm asking because I have
Yeah.
seen like a lot of the times you see
Yeah.
like they wake up very light sleepers. Have you noticed like women are very light
Generally,
sleepers?
yes.
Right?
I would say yes because they have to be prepared for anything.
Yes, I think that is the thing. It's like
It's a fight or flight wala
yeah, it's
situation.
like what do you call it? From generations,
Yes,
they have to
yes.
be ready.
Yeah, it is
because,
in their genes now. They
Genes.
can't
Men
help
were
it.
not kind before. Like
Yeah,
they're not kind
yeah.
now also. But yeah, but I don't rarely.
I'm also a very light sleeper.
Oh, you're a light sleeper.
Yeah. Like if I'm I mean, some days I'm dead asleep, but most days I'm sleeping. I will be having a nice sleep, but if there is noise, I'll be like, "Arey, yeah, I'll wake up.
Same, but I'm not light. Like not like somebody is like holding a polythene and I'll wake up. That is a light sleeper. Like
Okay,
I'm like
okay.
very average. I'm
Okay.
not like you have to do this to wake me up. No,
Ah.
I'll wake up if there is sound. I'll wake up.
Uh-huh.
But I'm
Okay, yeah.
not very light sleeper.
Similar
also.
like that.
Ha,
yes.
ha, ha.
Yeah.
But I sometimes I remember my
Yeah.
dreams. Like this guy, he remembered this, and dude, in 2 days I forget.
Mm.
If I don't talk about it, it's gone.
Yeah, that is too for sure.
As a kid, one of the most recurring dream for me was that I'm going to school shirtless. That was my. I don't know if you had that dream. It's very common apparently.
Really?
I forgot to wear my shirt and everybody's like making fun of me. That
Yeah.
was the most common.
That was one of the fears, I guess you had.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
I guess.
I don't remember me having the such dreams. As a kid, though, I actually didn't remember anything. I was sleeping like crazy.
Man,
Yeah.
as a kid, you sleep like this, wake up like this, you're running like this.
My biggest fear was shitting my pants.
Ah.
And once I did it,
yeah,
the fear was
yeah.
also gone. Once you have to do it once, it's
yeah,
over.
yeah,
There is
yeah,
no
yeah.
fear.
I've dude, I in school I would not shit. I would say I have stomach cramps.
Yeah.
Like, and then call my parents. Somebody will come and pick me up. Then I'm just taking a dump. that's why I don't want to go take a dump in school, bro.
Bro, I shat my pants in school, and this is the last period. So I couldn't control,
Mm.
right? I controlled till the bus stop where the bus comes, right? I controlled till there, and then couldn't. Okay.
Oh my
It
god.
just came out,
Huh.
and then I didn't board the bus. I walked
Home.
I walked home. I was like, I'm not going on the bus. Then I have to sit, bro. Who
Yeah,
will
yeah, yeah,
sit?
yeah, yeah.
I just walked like, that walk. People are just going around seeing,
This is which
guy,
shirt?"
this guy shat for sure. They knew it. The way,
This is what 10th standard.
bro. Don't embarrass me like this.
which,
Oh, second or third.
second or third. That's the
Second
shitting your
standard.
pants standard,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Yeah. That should be renamed, bro. Shitting your pants standard. Same. Cool. Let's wrap it up, bro.
Chalo.
Yeah. Thank you guys for your emails. Please write us more emails. Please like, subscribe, hype. Hype is
Hype,
required.
comment.
Please write this.
Comment.
Just write an email, guys. It's fun to read emails and
Yeah, if you don't have anything personal to share, just ask random questions like
dude,
this.
everybody has
I'll have a naked man story for that.
yeah, and also true. Everybody has so many like your family troubles, your
Yeah.
relative troubles.
Your neighbors.
You would
troubles.
have one chachi or mami that nobody likes. Just tell us what is she like or what is he
Yeah,
like.
yeah.
We'll make fun of them. We'll all feel good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.